With 23 senator judges present, Chair hereby declares the presence of a quorum. Before we take up the matter at hand as earlier agreed upon when the Senate was still sitting in plenary, Chair would like to first adopt our rules. Chair hereby adopts Resolution number 39 of the Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, Rule 6 of which provides that the provisions of the rules of the Senate and the revised rules of court shall apply suppletorily whenever applicable. As such, the following issuances of the Supreme Court shall likewise apply suppletorily to the current matter on the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte, namely, the 2019 amended Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 1 to 34, except Rule 5, Rule 13 as amended by AM number 1037 SC-AM number 1194 SC, B, 2019 amended Rules on Evidence, C, AM number 3-1-09 SC, guidelines to be observed in pretrial and use of deposition discovery measures, Part 1A1 to 9, except provisions on mediation and amicable settlement. D, AM number 1037 SC, AM number 119-4 SC, guidelines on electronic filing of lower courts, in lower courts rather. AM number 1288 SC, Judicial Affidavit Rule, except Section 9, and F, such other relevant rules and issuances. It is to be noted that we did not change any of the provisions of the Rules of Procedure because there is already a pending impeachment complaint and the chair would not want to change the rules in the middle of the game, so to speak. However, the updated amended rules of court, as discussed and mentioned and enumerated earlier, shall apply given the suppletory application of the rules of court.